All right, welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 7. We are going to discuss and apply multi-digit addition methods. So turn to page 229 in your SAB and we'll get started. So here we have, there were two questions above, but we're going to do those a different time. Here it has the three addition methods. I know some of you already have the way that you add numbers down. I saw a lot of you doing the new groups below method, but these are the three methods. You can use this to help you if you want to try a new method. Okay, so let's turn to the next page, page 230, and we are going to practice addition methods. So we're going to solve each problem. We need to make a proof drawing to show that our answers are correct. Okay, so for number 3, Ryan has 2 stamp albums. One album has 554 stamps and the other has 428 stamps. How many stamps does Ryan have in all? And when it's asking us in all, it wants us to add them both together. So I already went ahead and made my drawings here because it took me forever to do. With this little pen thing, it's a little harder. So I want you guys to pause the video and make your drawings and set your problem up just like this, and then come back and we'll work through it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, after we make the place value drawing and set up our addition problem right here, we are going to add the ones to get 12. So 4 plus 8 is 12. And we can make a new 10 with that and have 2 left over. So we have 5 up here, 8 over here. We're going to circle them just like so, except for that's not 10. Let me add that in there. And then we are going to put a 1 right here for our new 10s in the 10s place. And we're going to put a 2 right here for our 2 ones that are left over. And then we are going to move over to the tens place. So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus our 1, which is 8. So I'm going to write an 8 down here in the tens place. And then we're going to move over to the hundreds place. Now we're going to add 5 plus 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So we're going to write our 9 down there. And voila, we have our answer of 982 stamps. Okay. And yeah, that's just supposed to stay stamps, but you know. Number 4. One week Ashley read 269 pages. The next week she read 236 pages. What is the total number of pages she read in the 2 weeks? So it's asking us for the total number, which we're going to add. Again, I already made my drawing, or my place value drawing, so that's the first thing you do is you make your place value drawing and set up your addition equation. So pause the video and do that real quick. Okay, so we are going to start with the ones. And this is the below, new groups below method. By the way, forgot to mention that earlier. Oh, I'm silly. Okay, so we're going to start in the ones, and we are going to add 9 plus 6, which is 15. So we're going to circle 10 ones. We have 9. And we're going to put those into a new group of 10. So we're going to add it down here. And we have 5 ones left over. So we're going to put our 5 down here in the ones place. Then we're going to move over to the tens. And we have 6 plus 3, which is 9, plus our new 10, which is 10. So we can also make a new group of hundreds. So we're going to put our 1 down here. And then we are going to put a 0 right here because we don't have any 10s left over since we made a new 100. Okay, and then we're going to move over to the hundreds and add 2 plus 2, which is 4, plus our 1, which is 5. So we found our answer of 505 pages. And I'll just put a P, but I want you to write pages out. Okay, so now I want you guys to with your partners or your groups or whatever, I want you to solve number 5 and number 6. If you want a little challenge, I challenge you to try to use a different method from this page, try to use one of these methods just to challenge yourself. If not, no big deal. Stay with what you're good at. Stay with what you're comfortable with. I do want you guys to at least try to explain one or the other to your partners, because I just love to hear you guys talk to each other. All right, well, good luck, and you can get started on the homework and remembering once you're done.